Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So you can see behind me I have this massive boxes of huge makeup haul with me. So I have from Nykaa, Purple, Hawk Makeup, Inside Cosmetics, In Color Cosmetics. So all of these things. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel before we begin this video. Guys, this is Deepa. Welcome to my channel. So you can see I'm sitting on the floor and I have huge boxes of all makeup hauls that I've done from abroad, from Nykaa, from Purple, from Hawk Makeup, from In Color Cosmetics, and all of these. So if you want to know what all I've got in this haul, so please keep on watching and subscribe to my channel. So before that, I'm going to put all of these boxes down here so that I can share one by one with you all. If you haven't seen this face before, my name is Deepa. I am a beauty influencer and a fashion designer from Hyderabad, India. This makeup I have accumulated from January, you can say, and I have showed what I have in my Jeffree Star mystery box. So I'll put a link to that video in the I option, so please do check out. Also, if you want to know where I got this hairband from and all of those details will be in my Instagram, so please do check out. This video is going to be hell lot of long and I'll try my best so that I keep this short and show all of the products as quickly as possible, not make it too long. So that's hell of an intro, so let's get into the video. Okay, so first off, I have thrown this box away, but anyways, I'm going to show it to you guys. Are these Nikake palettes that I got from Hawk Makeup, and I'm going to show each one of them. So there was this offer where you buy 3 for 999 or something like that, and I grabbed on that offer and I got 6 variants. And these are so good because they remind me of the mini Huda gemstone palettes. So I'm going to show each of the variants. So first is this Nikake birthday cake palette. You can see I haven't opened this still. So if I start opening all of this, the video is gonna get hell lot of long. So anyways, we're gonna keep this video short. In this you have all of the neon shades. So this is the first one. And next is the Sugar Plum palette, which has all of the pink tones. I really love this. And the next one is the Undersea palette. It has all of blues and orange, and you can also see a bright yellow. And the next one is this Autumn Spice palette. It has all of the orange shades and peachy tones, and I really love this shade range. And the next one is, I love brown eyeshadows, and for that you have this Mocha Mix. So I really love this red shade. And the next one is this Poison Apple palette. You can see how beautiful this is. So these are all the 6 shades that I've got. So everything is covered, and if I'm traveling anywhere, I can just chuck this into my purse and I'm good to go. So these are the 6 palettes, and also the links will be in the description box below. So there was this another website that I've seen on, I think Myntra Beauty I have seen, and I thought, okay fine, I'll just give it a shot. So these are the wet eyeshadows by In Color Cosmetics. So you have these neon shades. I really love shimmery eyeshadows. They, are so good on my eyes. Since I'm a yellow undertone, fair and yellow undertone, they kind of enhance my eyes and they make my eyes look bigger. That's the reason I go for shimmery eyeshadows. So I got this orange shade. Then this shade, I do not have this shade. So this is this neon greenish color shade. So this one I got. And so I'll put links to all of this in the description box. Definitely check it out. So this is this bright blue shade. One of the shades I have used. So this is the silver shade. So I'll just open and show it to you guys. So it is a wet eyeshadow. So you have to use your setting spray before you using this eyeshadow. So you can see how beautiful it is. This is how it is. You can see the glitter. It's so good. I really love the glitter eyeshadows. They enhance my eye features. And I also have, I'll show you the difference. This is this light ink blue kind of a thing, and this is a navy, more of a navy blue kind of a shade. So I got this 5 eyeshadows in Color Cosmetics. It was not even that expensive. I think this 5 costed me around $1,000 or something. And I also got a lip balm. I'm already using this lip balm and I really love it. I would say it doesn't have any taste. It is plain and I really love it. I already am using this lip balm. I really love lip balms. And I got this lip balm as well from this In Color Cosmetics. So those are all what I've got from In Color Cosmetics. Okay, so the next of what I'm going to show is from a brand called Azafran. So they sent me their Rakhi collection and I just wanted to show to you guys. They sent me this hand sanitizer, and you know how important it is right now due to the corona and all of that. So I got this Azafran. So you can see the brand name Azafran Care, and it is their hand sanitizer, and let me tell you the amount. So I got almost 50 ml. And the next one that I got, so there is only this palette, so I'll just show you. So this is their Swarg collection, and I think during the Rakhis when they have sent me, and I also have a card from Azafran which I'm going to read later. So this opens up like a chocolate, and I really love the packaging. So you have to open it up like this, and so this is the palette, and I think it even has a mirror. So yeah, it has a mirror. So you can see it has a mirror, and these are all the shades that are there. You have all of the neutral tones right here, and you have this pink, 2 blushes and a highlighter. I have to try this pigmentation. Let me know if you guys want to see a new video for this. I will definitely do it. So these are all the shades. Anyways, I'm just going to take this little, so I just touched it, and the blush is so good. The benefit is that you also have a mirror. The mirror is pretty good. So yeah, I think I love the palette. Anyways, I have to test the pigmentation. I think I'll do a separate video for this, but I really love the packaging. I think there are also a lot of other variants in this palette range. So the next stuff that I have is big box right here next to me. So it contains all of the items that I have from Purplle.com. So I'm going to show this, but I also have a mini box from Purplle, so I'm just going to show that as well. So this is the one. So I have so many products right here that I'm dropping everything. So I'll show what are all this in this mini box. So the first off, so I really love this instant makeup, so I really love this instant nail polish removers, and you have to just dug into this, and this is such a painless thing because you need not take a cotton and nail polish remover and all of that. So this is by Bella Vasta. I really love this pink packaging. So this is the first product that I got from Bella Vasta, and I also got the Bella Vasta lipsticks. So I think there was like some offer wherein you have to buy 2 and you get 2 free. So I'll do a separate video for this wherein I'll swatch all of these colors. So this is the first color. I'm just going to show them like this to you guys. So this is more of like a peachy kind of a shade. And the next one is this red. So this is the only way I can show. And this is this, I really love this bubbly pink. And this one is a bright pink, magenta pink. So these are the 4 shades that I got. I think buy 2 get 2 free was the offer. So this way you can see the shades. So I'll do a video for this, so stay tuned for that. So I heard Shreya Jain speak about this a lot in her videos. So this is the Lotus eyeshadow. So I just got this blue shade, and the other shades were out of stock. I think it has only 4 shades. I really love Lotus mascara. It is like the favorite mascara. I use it a lot, and I already have 2 in my stock. So I'll have to try this. Let's just open this and see the eyeshadow. So I just opened the eyeshadow. You can see how cute is the packaging. So this is how it is. It is more of like a cream based. So it kind of like matches the other 2 eyeshadows that I got from In Color Cosmetics. So you can see I have a wide range of blue eyeshadows. So a hell lot of difference between these 3. So yeah, so I'm excited to try. So the next stuff I got is this. Since we are in this lockdown due to this corona, we're not going to parlor that much. So to remove my blackheads and all of that, I got this steel blackhead remover. And I got this tool from Purplle. So you have to steam before you use this. I also got another pore remover from Amazon. I really love that. I used it 2-3 times and I saw good results. So let me know if you guys want to see video on that. The next stuff that I have is this Body Cupid perfume. I have entire Body Cupid range, so I'm going to do a video on that. So yeah, I'm going to show all of their products. So this is a perfume from Body Cupid. So it has this white and gold packaging. It's very good. I really love perfumes. I cannot be without perfumes. So let me just see. So this is the packaging. You can see how beautiful the packaging is, and let me just smell it. I wish I could explain this scent better. So it is very strong. So if you're someone who doesn't like strong perfume, please do not get this. I really love strong perfume. I just sprayed little and my entire room is smelling now. So this is very good. It's a yes from me. If you like strong perfumes, then you have to get this. Even the packaging is so good. Yeah, you can definitely check it out if you're a good perfume lover. So the next stuff, Good Vibes is a brand in Purplle that is so good. So I got the aloe vera gel from Good Vibes. My old aloe vera gel is almost ending, and I decided I'll get it. So it has this white consistency. My hands are dirty. I don't want to open this right now. So this is the Good Vibes aloe vera gel. Okay, so next I got off is this Bella cotton wool. I actually thought these are cotton pads and I by mistake got this. So I have to see, it is pretty huge actually. I will use the days that I applied a lot of makeup and I have gone for the shoot. So that days I'll use this. So you get how many? I think you get around 20 or 10. I'm not sure, but it is pretty huge. I got this by mistake thinking it's cotton pads actually. Okay, so the next stuff that I have is this. You know that whenever you buy any items from Purple, you get a lot of free items. So I got this Dermadoc hand sanitizer free. So DermDoc hand sanitizer free, and I use their brand hyaluronic acid. I really like it. So it's their brand hand sanitizer free I got. So the next stuff is from Good Vibes, and I got their papaya glow mask. I really love masking, and let me just open this and see. God, it smells so amazing. It is so good. The smell is so good. Good Vibes masks are very good. I use their activated charcoal mask. I also use their peach scrub, which I really love. I also got avocado mask. As I said, my hands are dirty, so I'm not going to open it up. So this is the avocado mask and the peach mask. So these two I got since I'm dry skin. Okay, so the next item that I think I got these free. So I got this watermelon gel free by Good Vibes. I really like this watermelon gel. I already used 2 in the past. And the next one I got is this Alps Goodness charcoal face mask. I think I bought this one. To check how it is, I just got the small variant. So stay tuned for amazing content and videos on my channel. And the next stuff that I got is this Alps Goodness pomegranate serum. So I really love serums because I'm dry skin and I have to ensure that my skin is hydrated and it is very good. So it has this green color consistency. I don't know if the bottle is that or if the serum is like that. So you also have a dropper. So I have to use this. I'm almost ending all of my face serums which I have used in the lockdown, and I have completed all of that. So I got another serum. I love the serum by Dot & Key. They have amazing serums, so I'll highly recommend you guys to check out. Okay, so moving on. So I also got this Good Vibes. So you can see a lot of items I've got from Good Vibes. Being a dry skin, actually Good Vibes products suit me a lot. So I also got a hydrating face mask. It is the pomegranate variant. I think so. No, it is the wine variant. So I got 3 masks and they're not even that huge so that you can use it quickly. I think probably 5-6 times is what each mask will come. So I'm going to do exclusive videos for this. So stay tuned for that. So I told you how much I love lip balm. So I got this by Stay Quirky. I'll just show it to you guys. This packaging is very good. So this is the Lip Lust lip balm. So it is this pink, matte pink kind of packaging, and it is clear actually. Even there is no fragrance. Even the quantity is pretty decent actually. And another one that I got, this Lotus Herbals facial kit, cellular glow facial kit. So let me know if you guys want to see a video on this. So you have the steps and sachets, you know, each of the steps. So step 3 and all of this, you can see there are steps, multiple steps to this. So we have to try this and I'm very excited how it is. This is the first time that I'm trying it. So I'm excited for this. So I also got this. I really love Face Shop and it is my favorite brand of all the brands. So I also got this Face Shop kit and it has this cute packaging. I really love Face Shop Herb Day cleansing foams, and I have each of the variant, and in all of the variants I think aloe vera one is the favorite. And so it has this packaging. You can see how good the packaging is. So I think this is their Christmas packaging or what, I don't know, but I got it and I really loved it. So you can see it has this white, red and blue kind of a theme. So the first one is this lemon and grapefruit. Very excited to try. I think I have to do a video on my Instagram or here to definitely let you guys know how it is. So this is even the quantity is pretty huge, so easily for 6 months it's going to come for you guys. So this is the Master Blending aloe vera and green tea variant. And the next one that I have is this blue one. So this is acerola and blueberry. So in my shower routine, I'm definitely using the Acerola one and I really like it. So I think it's neutral. So if someone who has normal skin, they can definitely check it out. It has a mixture of all of the ingredients, you can see. So I've just put back all of the items in this box itself and see how beautiful is the packaging. So you can gift it to anybody who is also, they love skincare and all of that. They can definitely check it out. Really love skincare. Face Shop is my favorite brand and I've made many of my friends also buy a lot of products from Face Shop. So for them, they have to definitely, you can give this to anybody who loves skincare. So for now, before going into all of the products, those were all of the products I got from Purplle. So before going into all of the products I got from Nykaa, I'm going to show all of the items that I got from abroad, and so you'll be shocked at what items I have. And the first stuff that I got is the Kylie Cosmetics Peach Palette. So this is a peach palette, and you know I love Kylie Cosmetics and I really love their Coco collection. So just wanted to revamp, you know, to foreign brands and just show it to you guys. So this is the packaging. It is all white and it is written Kylie, you can see. And you also have all of the shade names behind. So this is an 18 shadow. No, it is 12 shadow and I really love peach tones. And so these are all the peachy tones that I got from Kylie. You can see I really love these. Are all the shades that I use. Even the mirror is very good. So I specifically wanted this because I really love peach undertone and peach eyeshadows are my favorite. So peach, brown, red, pink, you know, that category, you know, more towards the warm tones are my favorites. And I really love shimmery eyeshadows. So you almost have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shimmery eyeshadows. So this is a steal for me. And you also have transition shades and matte eyeshadows. So I really love this and I'm very excited. So let me know if you guys want to see a video. Inside also you have all of the Kylie written in peach color. Okay, so the next stuff that I got is this Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So I told in my Jeffree Star mystery box that I got the Blood Sugar palette. So I really love Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and other eyeshadow palettes are too bold for me and I wouldn't wear them, but the Blood Sugar palette is my cup of tea. And just see the packaging of how beautiful it is. So you just open this, you have this case kind of a thing, and I didn't use it till now. Just look at the packaging. So you also have a mirror right here, and you don't have any protective sheet or anything like that, but it's okay. But you can see how beautiful it is. All of the shades. I'm living for this purple eyeshadow. I'm very excited to try that. And this is so good. This, I need not tell anything about Jeffree Star. I really love this packaging. It feels so bulky and so nice. So you have 18 eyeshadows and you can see how beautiful are they. I'm not feeling to swatch any of them. This is so good, so good. And you also have this case. So this is the Blood Sugar palette and I'm not done yet. So I also got the Morphe Manny Moa collection. You know how I really love Manny's personality, you know. Hope you're having a Gorga day. So you can see he is behind right here. And I haven't tried these still. And so this is the Manny Moa collection. So you can see how beautiful it is. So these are all of the undertones. He also likes shimmery eyeshadows and neutral looks. So even I love warm eyeshadows and neutral looks. Really love this pink shade. And even these highlighters are so good. It's very lightweight as well. You can carry it anywhere. So another one that I got is this Colourpop palette, but I have to accumulate all of the eyeshadows that are there. So these are all the eyeshadows that I need to accumulate in this palette. So this is a butterfly palette. I don't know the name. I'm just going to write here. I think Blossom palette or something like that. So I'm going to write here in the description. So definitely check it out. I'm going to put a video right here wherein I put all of these eyeshadows accordingly and arrange them and show it to you guys. So last but not the least, I also got the Morphe 39L palette. So in this one, during the transition, one of the eyeshadows broke, but it's okay. It's not so damaged. I can manage it. So I got this for my favorite YouTuber Tully, and for her I got this palette. So this is the 39L palette. I really love the shade range in this and it is pretty huge. So as I told you guys, one shade is broken. So you can see this is the broken shade. But anyways, I'm not going to bend it more and show it to you guys. So you can press that definitely. It's not much of a deal. So this part is by Tully. This 8 shades. And I have to just press this with a coin so it will do. I'm just going to put that so that none of the pigment falls down. I really love this neon shades. And so this part is by Tully, curated by X Tully. It's written here. And so these are the four, it's with 4 bloggers collaboration, and this was their holiday collection. I really love the palette. You can see it's holographic. The palette feels heavy. So this is very huge, so you cannot travel and carry it anywhere. All of the shades in this I'm very excited to try. So you do not get a mirror in this, but it makes sense to, not to put such a big mirror, and during the transit it can break. So yeah, it makes sense. I also own the 3502 palette, which I use a lot. And I've also done a look recently using that in my Instagram, so do check out. So this is the last palette that I got from from my abroad haul. So also I have 2-3 lipsticks that I've got from Colourpop, which I'm going to put pics right here. Now I don't have the energy to get up and get them. The lipsticks that I've got, I think I've got 2-3 lipsticks from okay, so I've also got the nail polish set from e.l.f., which I'm going to do an exclusive video. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to keep it a surprise, and I'm going to show that directly in another video. So those are all of the items that I got from abroad. So now I'm going to move to all of the items that I got from Nykaa. So in my Nykaa haul, you'll see a lot of hair products because I was running short of hair products. The first stuff that I got is this L'Oreal hair mask, Total Repair hair mask. I use their conditioner, I use their shampoo. It's my favorite. And I've done a video in my Instagram using this. And also, since we are speaking about the hair mask, I also got my Jove's hair mask, which I showed in my empties video wherein I completed it and I got a restock. So let me just open it up and show it to you guys. I really love hair mask because I have very thick hair, thick and dry hair as well. So I have to ensure that I put good moisture in my hair. So I really love this. So this is my third. So there is this protective thing. So this is my third tub and I really love it. It lasts me good 6 months. So I also love this one. So I just switch it between these two. Okay, so the next item that I got from Jove's is this Jove's Veg Oat Peel Mask. So let's open and see. This is the first time that I'm trying this. And let me just open it up and show it to you guys. So the packaging is very, very good. Okay, it is sealed, so which I cannot sadly remove right now. So I'm very excited to see how it is. This is the first time that I'm trying it. So let's see how this is. Okay, so since we are speaking about hair products, so I also got the TRESemmé Curls Flawless. So this is a mousse actually. So you have to spray it in your wet hair and just crush your hair for the curls to come. Because I really love TRESemmé products and I use them a lot. So the quantity is also pretty much decent. And this is for long lasting curls. And I also got the BBlunt Curl Defining Leave-In Serum, Leave-In Cream. So this is also mousse. You can see how I want so badly. I want curls. I have wavy hair, but I want curls as well. So let's see how these two products. So these are the two products that I got. I used BBlunt is my favorite brand. I already used their Argan Oil Serum, and TRESemmé is also very good. I keep using the shampoos. Okay, so I also got a Batiste dry shampoo. This is the tropical variant. I love the cherry blossom variant. That is so good, so good. So I highly recommend you guys to check out the cherry blossom variant. So this is the first time that I'm trying this. I have to try this. Let's see. I love dry shampoo because I tell that only once you have to wash your hair and remaining days you can use a dry shampoo. If you're a guy, this is a steal. This is very good. Okay, so the next item that I got is this L'Oreal Total Repair Conditioner. I use their normal conditioner. So that conditioner I use a lot, but this is the first time that I'm trying this one. And this is for damaged hair because I have very dry hair. I do not have damaged hair, but I have very dry hair. So for that I got this one. But let's see how it performs. So as I said I got a lot of hair products from my Nykaa haul. Okay, I spoke about my Kadi Tulsi hair oil so much in my videos. I think you must be bored right now by how many times I've spoken it. So I got my Kadi Tulsi hair oil. And this is probably my 20th bottle or whatever, but I really love this. I highly recommend you guys to get this. And I also put my oiling video right here in the eye option so that you can check out how I oil my hair. I really love this Kadi Tulsi hair oil. So I highly recommend you guys to get it. I think it's around 150 bucks or 120 rupees. Okay, so I also got the Jove's. I got three face washes from Jove's. So first one I got is this Wheatgram and Carrot face pack, T-Tan face pack. The packaging is very good. It looks like a carrot itself. So I got this one. And the next one that I got is this Black Plum and Kuruma T-Tan face scrub, sorry. So this is the face pack and this is the face scrub. So these two items. And the next one that I got is this Papaya face wash, and the benefit is that this is for all skin types. and it is for toned skin. So I didn't use the papaya variant, but I used the grape seed variant. The grape seed one, that is very good. Even that is for all skin types. Because my face washes are ending, so I just got 2-3. And the next one is this Everyuth fruit face wash. I love this face wash. I told about this in my product empties videos of how much I use this face wash. So this one is very good, decent amount as well. I think it's 135 ml, and it is suitable for all skin types, and it has apple. This is so good. I highly recommend you guys to get this face wash. So this is my third tube right now. So Nykaa released their disinfectant range, and because of the COVID right now, everybody are so into sanitizing everything on all of the parcels that you receive and all. You can spray on that. So I really love this packaging, the purple one. They also have a vegetable and fruit, cleaning your vegetables and fruits and all of that. But I got the disinfectant one. So check out this range by Nykaa. The next one that I have is this Nykaa lip balm that I got. I think this is a pineapple variant, pina colada variant. This is the first time that I'm trying a lip balm range by Nykaa. I tried the macaroon one lip range. That is very good. So the next one that I got is this Jove's hair serum. So I told you guys I got a lot of hair products in my Nykaa haul, and I really mean that. So in this hair serum, I think they have almonds as well. So they have almonds and grape seed. So you have to use this in your wet hair before you use any heat like a straightener or a curler. You can definitely use this serum. So the next stuff that I have is, I think I got this free. So the Nykaa Total Clear Makeup Remover I got free with all of the items that I've got. So the next stuff that I got is this Cucumber Toner by Jove's. You can see how many Jove's items I have got. I really love this. This is, I think, my third toner. I really love this toner. I made many of my friends also buy this. This is like chill cucumber juice on your face. So that's how much good it is. Let me just spray. So you can see this. It's a fine mist. And this smells exactly like cucumber, like you have made cucumber juice. That's how good it smells. The next stuff I have is this onion hair mask. I got this free actually. I did not buy it. So this is the Mamaearth onion hair mask for hair fall control and all. So I actually have a mixed reaction for Mamaearth products. But I got this free, so I'm very excited to try it. So I have mixed reaction about Mamaearth products. I like some of the products. I do not like some of the products. So let's see how this performs. So I got a couple of nail polishes. I didn't get a lot this time. I just got 4 shades. So the first off I got is this L18 clear nail polish. So you always need a clear nail polish. And TS Beauty, I love their range. It has so amazing formula. Very good. So I got this peachy, nude undertone. Peachy, pinky kind of a shade. I really love this. So this is their Pearl Drops shade. So I got this one. And the next one that I got is by L18. So this is a shimmery nail polish. And the next one that I got is this red color shade, red maroonish kind of shade. It has a lot of glitter particles as well. So I also got the Lakme, the traditional Lakme eyeliner. My eyeliners are done. So I just thought, okay, fine, let me get my old eyeliner back. I love winged eyeliners and I cannot live without that. So I decided, okay, fine, let me get the Lakme winged eyeliner. We're almost coming to an end of the haul. So I also got this by Wet n Wild. So I got their white kajal, and it's pretty much decent as well. You can see the quantity that you're getting. So I got the white kajal because I wanted to do a couple of eye looks. So for that I got this. And the next one that I got is this Nykaa Daydreaming palette. I told you guys I love pinky, peachy kind of shades. So I got this one. I heard a lot of good review about this palette. So I just got this one. I'm not interested in the other shade ranges. So you can see it has all of the pinky tones, and even the packaging is very good. You can carry it anywhere. So I just put it in this. So I got 2 foundations. You can see in my product empty videos wherein I'm done with my Maybelline foundation. So I just got my Maybelline foundation. So first is this Superstay 24-hour foundation, and I'm in the shade 128. And this is like Holy Grail. So this is my matte poreless 230. This is like the exact shade for me. So I just restocked this. I showed in my product empty videos wherein I'm done with my Maybelline foundations. Another serum by L'Oreal. So this is the smoothing serum. So I told you guys how my hair is so frizzy and dry. I wanted to try this. I tried the L'Oreal Total Repair 5 serum and I really love that. So I decided I'll try this time the Smooth Intense serum. So let's see how this performs. So you can see how many hair products that I've got in this haul. So the next stuff that I got is this Nykaa Kajal. This is my second one actually. I really like this one, and I used it a long time ago. I think last year is when I've used it, and I really liked it. And do we have a shade or something like that? This is Jet Black 001. This is a shade. So another one I got is this Biotique. I think I got this free actually. So this is the Flawless Skin Lotion. That's by Biotique, by the way. And the next one that I got is this Loose Powder Pigments by Swiss Beauty. I really love, even today, this shimmery one which you see is the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. I really love that. I have all of the colors from that. So this is the loose pigment. So it has this holes right here. And this is this pearly color. And the next one is this pink color. So Swiss Beauty is an amazing brand. You can see the rose gold kind of a shade, and I really love the Swiss Beauty eyeshadows, liquid eyeshadows. They're bomb. So let's see how these two are. So I think I'm almost done with all of the products. If I missed anything, I'm going to put clips right here, or I'm going to show later in the video. So guys, this was another day wherein I was filming for YouTube, and I received this package from Purple, and I just thought, okay, let me just combine with already video that I've shown. I was in short of nail polishes, and I ordered a couple of nail polishes from purple.com. All of my nail polish dried out. Obviously during lockdown I couldn't buy much of them, and due to the coronavirus and all of that, there was a sale in Purple, and I just ordered all of the nail paints. So I'm just going to show one by one to you guys. The first one that I have is this white color from NYBay. This is white color. It's been a while that I've applied a white nail polish, and I'm onto black nail polish these days. So yeah, I'm more into reds as well for some reason. I'm out of the pink zone. It keeps changing. It's like a wave. I have applied the craziest nail paints, like from a neon green to a neon orange. I've applied all of them. Another from this same brand, I also got this maroonish red. I have tons of red nail paint. Still I get a red nail paint for some goddamn reason. I don't know why. So this is the color. And let me just open the white one and also show it to you guys. So this is like a little bit grayish. It has a tint of grey, and as I told you, I apply crazy nail colors. So this is this, I don't know, like, why did I buy this? So this is this parrot greeny kind of color. Who is going to apply this? I am the one that's going to apply such colors. And one more that I got is this. I really love it. This is this glittery kind of shade. I'm just going to open this and show it to you guys. So yeah, so this is how it is. So beautiful, right? From the same brand, I bought these 4 colors. And I also got seriously, it's like I shopped for only NYBay on the Purple website. So I also got an eyeliner. So this is a green eyeliner. I should have applied it today for this look. It would look bomb. So this is so bright, oh my god. So this is how it is. Let's do a look on this. I'm going to post on my Instagram, so stay tuned guys and follow me. This packaging is also so beautiful. It looks so beautiful on a vanity. So that's it. I do not have anything else. Another one that I want to show is this Fabbag subscription box that I've forgotten to show in my massive haul video. You guys are going to laugh which month this is. So this is the January subscription box. So this is the bag. So you can see it's so cute. You can even use this bag when you're going out. I'm also going to put the subscription link to this so that you can check out. So this is the soap that I have. This is their Gold Ore Rock soap. So it also contains cherry blossom, real gold leaf. So this is by brand Sirona. And I also have a coupon code, like a renewal code, and I also have a couple of codes. So this is by a brand called, this is made in India, it's 50 ml, it's for all types. So this is a hair nourishing cream, and the brand is Nature's Co. It's for all hair types, so anybody can use it. So you're getting a acne purifying face mask, detan plus detox. You're getting a 25 grams of product, and pink clay is very much into demand these days. So I have to use it. So I'm going to use this in my Instagram. So follow me on my Instagram and check out the video. So I love glittery eyeshadows, and the Wet n Wild one, I'm actually wearing the Wet n Wild green eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow, and I got and the benefit is that when you're ordering this, you can choose which color you want to take. So I already own a green one, and I personally selected this gold one because I do not have this one. This is very good, and you'll also get a pretty decent amount, but whenever you open it, try to use it quicker, and because it dries out soon. So another last product that I have is, you can see the bag is empty, and I love this bag, and I'm going to store it, and I'm going to take it out whenever I'm going out. So this is by a brand called Brick New York. It's a lipstick, and I'm just going to show the shade to you guys. So wow, this is a liquid matte lipstick. I do not have anything in this color. I think I have one by Sugar. Yeah, this is how it is. So I'm just going to swatch it for you guys. This is the color. Obviously it dries down matte, so this is the color. It's so beautiful. So if you're doing a bold eye look, then you can definitely wear such a lipstick. I shot a lot, I think. Obviously I want to try new makeup since I'm in this field, so you need not buy all of this. Whatever you want, you can definitely check it out. I think the best option for you guys is to go for a Fabbag subscription. So that's it guys. Instead of making individual videos, I decided I'll make a huge massive haul. So thank you so much if you watched till the end of this video. It would mean a lot to me if you would subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more videos, more content, and keep checking out my channel. And thank you so much if you watched till the end of this video. This is Deepa bidding a bye. Mwah. Bye guys.
That